When using the DX Knotless FiberTak for a Broström repair, the incision is made on the outside of the ankle over the torn ligament. Place the slotted guide on the bone and drill using the 1.8 mm K-wire drill and cycle the drill. Keeping the guide in place and stable, insert the DX Knotless FiberTak with gentle mallets until the inserter is flush with the guide. Undo the rubber O-ring and remove the suture and needles from the inserter handle, and then remove the inserter and guide. Separate out the shuttle stitches from the blue working stitch, ensuring there are not any tangles or knots. Gently pull back on the blue working stitch, but only to make sure it is engaged in the bone. Do not fully set the anchor. Repeat the steps for the second anchor location. Introduce the 7 mm Talus Offset guide into the sinus tarsi and flush against the talus. Drill with a 3.4 mm drill bit and then tap with a 4.75 mm tap. Leaving the guide in place, insert the 4.75 mm swivel lock into the talus. Remove the inserter and the guide. Pass the needle from the blue working stitch from the DX Knotless FiberTak through the ligament in a mattress fashion. Once the suture is passed, cut the needle off at the purple marking on the suture closest to the needle. Double over the blue working stitch through the loop end of the shuttling stitch at the purple marking and pinch and hold the sutures. Pull axially on the tape end of the shuttling stitch in line with the anchor using short jigs until the blue working suture and shuttle loop are converted through the anchor. Place the foot in the desired position and continue to pull gently in an axial motion until the desired tension is met. Cut the suture and repeat for the second anchor. Place the drill guide for the 3.4 mm drill on the fibula between the DX Knotless FiberTaks and drill, then tap using the 3.5 mm tap. Remove the tap and guide. Load the fiber tape for the internal brace in the 3.5 mm swivel lock and place the eyelet at the fibular hole, pulling the fiber tape taut. Use a marking pen to mark the fiber tape tail even with the laser marking on the inserter. Then pull the eyelet back on the fiber tape to the mark. Insert the 3.5 mm swivel lock and then cut the fiber tape flush to bone, and the all knotless ligament repair is complete.